Okay, so hello YouTube, my name is VladFrello.com and this will be how to open and clean Samsung. And the model is, okay, so there are no Windows licenses or whatnot in here, 355 E5C. Now, their plastic is not that bad, but yeah, it kind of tends to fall apart. So, one screw, this is a small one. I believe that this, so you pull it. I believe that this laptop is actually, well, dirty as hell, since it has not been cleaned in 3 years, I believe, but since it actually lived for 3 years, that is quite nice. You pull the hard drive, and wireless, I believe, yeah, so, go figure. And, okay, let's use the optical disk drive. The only thing you have to do is to pull the drive out. Okay, let's see. What about the screws? This one is quite huge, so I believe that, yeah, so far they're all of the same size. Okay, so there are 1, 2, 3. I should have recorded this with my GoPro, I believe. Oh, well, not intended for this kind of action, but what can you do? I actually have another video for you all, which is the repair of, well, I have a MacBook Pro that just runs slowly, and the diagnostic was that it was a broken GPU, faulty GPU, but it was not. All of the problems are actually due to a sensor issue, and I will be showing you the problem and the solution. I actually have it in here and I'm ready to repair it, but I never get the time to. So this one, this screw in here, the only one that's actually different. I will be also placing it in here, and I will be removing this one, which is wireless card, because usually wireless card holds the motherboard. Oh, and look at this, this is a keyboard connector, I believe. Interesting. And there is one more screw in here. So, this is always nice. Okay. Oh, come on. I will be removing this, so the auxiliary is the black one. That's always good to remember. Open the laptop, and we need to remove the keyboard. And how to remove the keyboard? There is a hole in here. Just let me show you. Ah, come on. So, I don't know whether you can see it. It's in here. So, in order to remove the keyboard, oh, magnets. You need to actually press it from beneath, and yeah, there you have it. This is actually going out. Okay, now I don't know which side will go first, but if everything is removed as it should be, this keyboard should pop right out, and there you have it. Now there are a couple of more screws on this top part. Just pull this up, sorry, sideways, and you pull this one up. Oh, bloody. Okay, anyway, so you pull this one, and there are a couple more screws left as well. Now I'll be placing this on my top pile. Okay, so these ones are shorter. You know what, I'll be placing it on my magnet. So, there are actually quite a few screws. To be honest, more than expected. Now I cannot place it in here because I will be needing it. But yeah, okay. Now there is one more in here. Okay. Believe it or not, there are screws underneath this piece of shit. Okay, this is even worse than HP, seriously. Let's see whether I need to remove all of this. But seriously, who puts screws in here? Now I need to remove this plastic, obviously. And I don't know whether you need to remove from here or just... So no, I only need to remove this so you can remove these two screws. This is idiotic, seriously. But yeah, there are two screws underneath this plastic, and I believe that this will solve the problem of this thing not opening. Okay, I just need to take my magnet and remove them. There is one screw in here and one in here as well. Seriously, whoever did design this is an idiot. I guess on the bright side they are of the same size, so okay. Let's see if now I can open it, and yes. And there you have it. This was actually way worse to open than expected, and yeah, this is dirty. And as I said, this is broken. So yeah, there you have it. Well, let's clean this thing.